Hey friend, welcome. Now, if we haven't met before, I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography. I'm a newborn photographer with over 16 years of experience photographing babies. I'm also the co-founder of the Milky Way, where we've helped over 30,000 photographers learn and grow and feel a little less alone in this industry. Now, I take my work seriously, especially when it comes to baby safety, but I definitely do not take myself too seriously. When you're thinking about getting started into newborn photography, there is a lot to learn. There's posing, lighting, editing, wrapping, soothing, safety, parent communication, session flow, and then about 100 tiny little decisions happening in the background while you're trying to look like a calm professional. And honestly, the online photography world isn't always the kindest place to ask beginner questions. So I really wanted this channel to feel different for you. A place where you can learn newborn photography in a way that feels practical, welcoming, and actually helpful. Safety truly is the foundation of everything I teach. My signature program, the Newborn Photography School, covers the A to Z of newborn photography, but I also wanted to create a free resource here so you can get to know my teaching style, build your confidence, and pick up practical tips as you learn and you grow. So whether you're brand new, rebuilding your confidence, or just trying to feel a little more sure of yourself with posing, lighting, editing, and all the tiny things that come with photographing babies, I'd love for you to subscribe and hang out here with me. I'll be sharing practical tips, safety-focused education, honest behind-the-scenes help, and the kind of guidance I wish more photographers had when they're first starting out. Because I really do believe learning newborn photography should feel safe, supportive, and welcoming, and not intimidating. So I'm really glad you're here, and I will see you in the next video.